On March 12, 2020, days after Philippines confirmed its first local transmission of the coronavirus disease, President Rodrigo Duterte announced a nationwide lockdown. The first of many lockdowns began on March 15.
Localized community quarantine in the respective jurisdiction.
Economies around the world shut down, and the Philippines, a developing country, was no exception. Today, Philippines has shifted to Alert Level 1, and with this, Filipinos are looking to a brighter future with hopes to come back stronger and more resilient in the coming year. Re.Ce Apparel is a small online-based business which began during the peak of the pandemic. Its owner, Karen May Testibia, wanted more to help the local textile industry from different local weavers across the Philippines, at a time when businesses have shut down amid the pandemic.
Hi, I am Karen May Testibia. I am an entrepreneur, a mother, and a scholar ng bayan. I'm currently finishing my bachelor's degree in Bachelor of Science in Clothing Technology in the University of the Philippines, Diliman. Re.Ce Apparel is a proud Filipino company that I started myself. I founded it with my partner that strives to provide the youth with relatively affordable, durable, versatile fashion pieces that are sustainable and ethically produced. We are supporting our national textile industry and, of course, breathing a new life in the traditional Filipino style. I made sure that I had enough knowledge about these textiles, ensuring that I don't use them misappropriately. Kasi this mask, these indigenous textiles, may mga mask na appropriate na pwede mong gamitin mask. Merong hindi pwede. Merong mga fabrics na hindi pwede ipag-mix and match. Kasi it's very cultural eh. So, if you're going to do this kind of business, you need to know this. Because although it's important to help the industry recover, it is also equally important to respect their culture. During that time, may nationwide lockdown pa. So, ganun ko lang in-start yung business na to. Imagine, nasa harap lang ako ng computer but I'm moving fabrics, sewing, production, to delivery. Diba? The advent of technology. Yung mask ko from Luzon are from Cordillera Administrative Region. So, there are multiple indigenous communities in Cordillera. For Visayas, I have Seda Abaka. Seda, it means silk. And this one is weave with silk and abaka. Sa province na yun, ang tawag talaga dito is pinukpok. This is from Mindanao. This is called the Yakan mask. And this weave is called Sapotongan Tapestry weave. So, this one is weaved by an indigenous Muslim tribe in Mindanao called the Yakan. So, they are from a tropical island in Basilan, located in the Sulu archipelago of Mindanao. So, nasa pinakadulo na siya ng Pilipinas. So, from Car to Western Visayas to kaduluduluhan ng Mindanao. I do my business through FB and Instagram. And then, of course, I ship them through courier. Right now, Re.Ce is not just in Philippines, but also in Hong Kong, Canada, and US. Yung goal ko talaga for Re.Ce, syempre, is maging sustainable na business siya. And maging avenue din siya to boost local weaving industry internationally.